Hey to my Pisces, this is Stormy from Babylao Psychic Reading, and this is your financial reading from February the 25th to March the 5th. I'm doing that time frame because Mercury is getting ready to go into retrograde on March 5th up until March 28th. The bottom line is what Mercury can screw up, it will screw up. If you've been on this planet long enough, you've kind of figured out what Mercury retrograde means for you. Like for me, it's like electrical things lose their brain. If that's kind of what my thing is, and I should never sign a contract of any kind, shape, form, or fashion during that period because it always ends up messing up. So I know that about my world. I'm sure that, like I said, if you've been on the planet long enough, you've already figured out how Mercury affects you. So if not, you will within time once you start paying attention to it. So this reading is meant to help you guys, hopefully with anything you need to know before Mercury goes into retrograde, anything you need to do before then, what's coming up for you between now and then, okay? This is a general reading, guys. It cannot and will not resonate for everybody. Generally, the meat of the reading resonates if it's meant for you. Sometimes the green beans and the potatoes aren't exactly the same for everybody, but you'll get the gist of it. Just know that it's general. Take from it what you want. Throw away what you don't want. If it resonates for you, or if you feel it in your gut and you know it's for you, then you know it's for you. If it doesn't, then you know it wasn't. Okay? That's the only way I know how to describe it, or how to tell people how you can distinguish if it resonates for you or not. So, with all that being said, Spirit, please clear the ethers, clear the cards, clear me. Let this just be for Pisces. Let this just be for my Pisces. Please show me what's coming up for Pisces this week when it comes to their finances, when it comes to work, when it comes to their money. Please show me. Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please show me what is coming up for my Pisces. Please show me. Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. Let's see what's coming up for you all. Let's see. We need a few more cards, guys. We need a few more cards. Spirit, what's coming up for my Pisces when it comes to their finances, work, and their money? Please show me what comes up, what's coming up for their finances when it comes to work, money, and their finances. Please show me. Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I need a couple more cards, Spirit. I need about 4 more cards. Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Spirit. What's coming up for my Pisces? What's coming up for my Pisces? Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They were not wanting to talk to me. How interesting. Spirit, what is coming up for my Pisces? What is coming up for my Pisces? Thank you. Okay, guys, I do feel like, okay, just so you know, you have the 4 sevens, which is like having the 4-leaf clover. So I feel like that there has been some issues possibly with the bank, or you've been struggling maybe with the bank, or having arguments with your boss at work. There's struggle with an authority figure here. Okay, but what I want you to know is that there could be legal issues as well that's been costing you some money, but good luck is on your side. I feel like that's getting ready to end. I feel like that whatever you've already spent out, I do not feel like you're going to have to continue to spend money on that issue. Just so you know. I do feel like it may have been a legal matter, maybe concerning a home. If you maybe have been in foreclosure, or, you know, there's been some kind of threat against your home, or you've been trying to buy a home on short sale or one of those, you know, and there's been issues with the bank, or the money hadn't been there, or they haven't said yes yet. I've got the good luck card, so I feel like that's going to move forward. I feel like if there's been any kind of threat towards your home, you're going to be able to fix that with the bank. I feel like this bank issue or this issue with someone of authority, it could be, like I said, a legal matter of some kind of judge, whatever, something you've been having to spend money on. That is either with a bank or a home or something like that. Like I said, it could be like a mortgage that you've been trying to get bought, and you've been trying to buy this house for a while or whatever, and it's been stalled, and maybe the banks haven't been willing to give you enough money of what you want, so on and so forth. Whatever that stall has been, whatever you have been spending financially on a legal matter, that is going to end. Okay, whatever there has been some legal issues or holdups about, that is fixing to change, and it's going to play in your favor. Okay, this is, like I said, this is the 4-leaf clover. This is good luck. This is Spirit watching over you. I do feel like that there has been a good possibility that there's been more than one party involved. Like I said, I'm not sure what this is, but I do feel like it's maybe connected to a home or your home life in some shape, form, or fashion, and it has been a legal issue. It may be that you've been in a divorce. It may be that you have been maybe in a battle about children. Whatever it is, there's been some kind of legal issue that's been draining your pocket. And I feel like that's getting ready to end for you. And things are going to fall in your favor. And because this is the good luck cards, okay? So if you have been in some kind of battle that is directly linked to your home or to legal matters and it's affected your home, I do feel like it is definitely a legal issue. Legal matters or with the bank or something. There has been some kind of person of authority or somebody that has been holding things up for you. If it's not a legal matter, there has been somebody in an authority position that has been holding things up or keeping you from being as prosperous or moving forward. Whoever that is, whatever that situation is, it's going to be done. It's going to be coming to a conclusion in the next week or so. Spirit, please clear the ethers, clear the cards, clear the ethers, clear the cards. Show me what's coming up for Pisces. What's coming up for them? What's coming up for them financially? You with their work, please show me. Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Please show me. Give me wisdom, clarity, and discernment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, definitely. See, love, Spirit. Spirit has got it going on, as though we didn't know that, but just so you know, this is the Queen of Pentacles. This is somebody of authority, like I said, a bank, some kind of thing like that. But this is the 10 of Cups, and that's what I'm saying. You've got this 4-leaf clover. So whatever this has to do with, if it's connected to a home or whatever, it's going to work out in your favor. And, this is the 10 of Cups. This is the happily ever after, This is getting your wish. This is the Page of Swords, which is a message coming in, okay? For me, pages always have a message. See in his little hand? And then the Knight of Swords is always about a message. Or someone coming back at you quickly. But you see the little message in his hand? And so there is a message coming. And I do feel like it is a message about money. And I do feel like it's something possibly that you've been waiting on. But I do feel like I said, this 4-leaf clover you're getting is this wish. Okay? It's all going to culminate, and it's going to be okay. This is the Queen of Pentacles, which is just that money, or that money freedom. It can also be that person of authority. It can be a judge. It can be anybody of authority over you or has authority in your world. Because for me, that's what my cartomancy means, and that's what Spirit usually leads me one way or the other. I don't read like most people, but anyway, and Spirit's telling me it is more my cartomancy that it is this person, this authority figure. They can be a judge, they can be a banker, they can be male or female, but whoever that human is, that's confirmation to me that it's some kind of legal matter. It may, like I said, you maybe have been trying to get a divorce. You may have been trying to, something's been costing you money. And that's going to be going away, okay? Something that has cost you money and has been a real pain in your ass, and it's legally. It may be, like I keep getting that it could be like a house that you were trying to buy, and the bank wouldn't, like, give you all the money for it. Or it could be, there could have been some kind of threat against your home, and you weren't able to move forward. Or you were wanting to buy a house, and you weren't quite able to, whatever that, I mean, I just see that there is some kind of legal issue that's been costing you money. Maybe you've been paying for inspections, all this crap, and, you know, that all finally comes to an end. All I'm going to say to you is there's some kind of person of authority who's been being a pain to you, or there's been some kind of legal issue, or somebody of authority who's been causing you to have to spend money, and it's ending. And you are finally going to be able to breathe. See this good luck card? You're going to get the message, the go-ahead, that is over, okay? Your wishes, this is good luck, your wishes, you're going to be able to move forward and have the happy life that you deserve and you should have. So, there you go, guys. Have a great week.